Raising gas is started. We have Small Town Lady break quickly at the start. Big Daddy's Dream. Tidal is down on the inside. Then comes Born Free. Down on the inside is Gracious Host. Royal Pair comes next. Power Over Substantial. Then next online is Promise Biodata. Federer second last while sailing away is the trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Tidal by our length and a half. Small Town Ladies right behind in second. Alongside third comes Big Daddy's Dream. 5 lengths further back in fourth comes Born Free. Royal Pair Substantial. Down on the inside is Power Over. Biodata comes next, and on the outside Promise. Gracious Host Federer. While number 4 sailing away, still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Small Town Lady now takes command. Big Daddy's Dream moving up now on the outside to take the lead. We have Big Daddy's Dream now takes command by about 2 lengths. Small Town Lady in second. Tidal moving up down on the inside. Biodata, Substantial, Royal Pair, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Big Daddy's Dream by about 4 lengths, followed now by Biodata in second. Tidal is on the outside. Small Town Lady. Last 100 meters, we have Big Daddy's Dream, followed by Biodata in second. Tidal, and finally the program opener, Big Daddy's Dream. Biodata, close. Tidal. Then comes number 9, Royal Pair, Substantial, and Gracious Host for your Super 6.
Mainam.